Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class, grade 4. This is the poem of Wake Up. Already we dealt with the previous video, so I won't be going with the detail. In this video, I will be dealing with the question and answers and exercise, grammar exercise also. In this poem, Wake Up. Before we start this session, let me discuss about what we learned in previous video. Is we see definition of poem, read the poem, see Fletcher, explanation of the poem, rhyming words and new words and its sentences. These 6 things already we discussed in our previous video. Okay, students, let me start question and answers and grammar exercise for wake up poem. Okay, take page number 4 and take your pencil also and take your homework note. Now we are going to dealing with the first 3 question and answer. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these 3 question and answer we are going to see. First one, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? The birds creep and greet each other in the morning. Then second question answer, who are already awake? The sun, trees, birds and bees are already awake. Third one, which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? Various creatures are like the cows, horses, ducks, sheep and even the tiniest of all creatures, the chicks wake up before the child does. And then next we are going to see, let's listen. We are going to see, let's listen. Listen to the songs of birds. Say the words boy and bee. Listen to the bee sounds. So listen, big, bubbles, bin, bag, blue, blow, black. These are all bee sounds. Next listen, baby chick sounds. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Yeah, that baby sounds like cheep, cheep. Then next, let's listen and talk. The first one we are going for. First one, go for a morning walk. Listen to the sounds you hear like a rustling of leaves, wind blows, creeping of birds, sounds of footsteps. Yeah, while you are going to walk morning time, can you hear that creeping sounds, blowing sounds, that leaves rustling sounds, that footsteps also? Can you hear? Then second one, imagine that a cow, a horse, a duck and a chicken are meeting for a morning meal. What would they say to one another? Talk about it. I will show you example for you, that dialogue, so you should follow that way. So cow, hello horse, how are you? Aren't you feeling hungry yet? That horse said, hi cow, no, I'm not feeling well. I had barley and grains already. The duck said, I'm feeling hungry. I have cooked a small fish for my breakfast. The chicken said, yeah, I don't like eating fish. It is so boring. Ducky, can you please cook a fresh grasshopper for me? The duck said, yeah, sure. So you should write like this in your homework note. That question and answers and this dialogue you should write in your homework note. Don't forget about that. And then next, say aloud. You should pronounce this. It is look like a tongue twister. Shall we read this? Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. It is a tongue twister. It is give the B sounds. Okay, students. Now we will next go for, let's write connect the pair of sentences below using and or but. Before we writing the and or but, let me see about description of conjunction. Yeah, connect the pair of sentences below using and or but. So that connective words or conjunctions are used to join two words, phrases or sentences. Some of them are and but because is and or. Then now we are going to discuss about only and but only. We are going to discuss. It is time to get up for school. B, I want to sleep for some more time. So we want to join these two sentences, means we want to write conjunction word. So shall we see? It is time to get up for school, but I want to sleep for some more time. So here these two sentences join about the conjunction word but. And then next, Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday. She got some new clothes too. So joining two sentences, Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday and she got some new clothes too. And then next, everyone has gone to sleep. I want to read my book. Everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my book. So these and all connect the two sentences. Then next, Raju plays cricket. He also plays hockey. So Raju plays cricket and he also plays hockey. And then next, fill in the blanks according to the example given below. We are going to discuss about second one. Fill in the blanks according to the example given below. Let me see about it. So fill in the blanks according to the example given. Degrees of comparison are used to compare one thing with another. It will call positive degree. Positive degree is used when we speak about only one person or thing. And the next one, comparative. Comparative degree is used when we compare two persons or two things. And then next, superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when we compare more than two things with one another. Okay, now we are going to see positive, comparative, superlative. Already it has in your book some dashes is there. You should finish. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sleepy, sleepier, sleepiest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Late, later, latest. Round, rounder, roundest. Small, smaller, smallest. Good, better, best. So you should finish that book like this. And then next example of sentence using degree of comparison. Rita is good in studies. Ray is better student than Rita. Sana is the best student in her class. And then next, Chandigarh is a big city. Mumbai is a bigger city than Chandigarh. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. And then next, today homework for you. You should write, listen carefully students, you should write these three question and answers in your homework note. And also you should read, pronounce this B sound and that baby chick cheep cheep sound, you should definitely pronounce that. And then next, listen and talk, so you should write a dialogue for this. Already I show that example for you. And then next, you should read this tongue twister with correct pronunciation. And then next, page number 5, you should finish these pages, that conjunction, and also you should write these degrees of comparison. You should finish this page, 5 page. And then next, dear students, I hope you all are understood this class. You should finish your homeworks and all. Okay, thank you.